All the bones in the body that support it help it to move and protect internal organs. Skeletal system. The skeletal system is the body's framework of bones that supports movement and protects vital organs. Imagine trying to build a sturdy bookshelf to hold your favorite books, but lacking the right framework to keep it upright and stable. Just like how a bookshelf needs a strong structure to support the weight of books and withstand movement, our bodies rely on the skeletal system to provide support, facilitate movement, and protect vital organs. In this analogy, the wooden frame of the bookshelf represents the bones that give shape and strength. The screws and joints are like the joints in our body aiding in movement, and the back panel serves as a shield, much like how our ribs protect internal organs. The organ system made up of muscles that help the body move. Muscular system. The muscular system consists of tissues that contract and relax to move parts of the body. Imagine trying to organize a group of friends to move a heavy piece of furniture. In this scenario, each friend plays a role similar to a muscle in the muscular system, working together to achieve movement. Just like coordinating friends to lift and navigate the furniture, the muscular system involves various muscles contracting and relaxing in a coordinated effort to move the body. Each muscle, like each friend, contributes to the overall task, ensuring smooth, efficient movement. The organs that transfer oxygen from the air to the body, like the nose, trachea, and lungs, are part of the respiratory system. The respiratory system helps you breathe by getting oxygen into your body and removing carbon dioxide. Imagine your morning cup of coffee being brewed in a coffee maker, where water is transformed into a rich, energizing drink. Just like the coffee maker extracts the essence from the coffee grounds to create your morning brew, the respiratory system extracts oxygen from the air to fuel your body. In this analogy, your nose acts like the water reservoir, drawing in air like water. The trachea functions as the filter basket, directing the flow. And the lungs are akin to the coffee pot, where the vital exchange happens, delivering oxygen to your body, much like the coffee pot delivers your much-needed caffeine boost. The system of the heart, blood, and blood vessels. It moves oxygen, nutrients, and waste. Circulatory system. It is the body's network that transports blood, delivering essential substances like oxygen to cells and removing waste. Imagine trying to manage a citywide delivery service where packages need to be sent to and picked up from every house efficiently. This is similar to how the circulatory system works in our body. Just like delivery trucks, representing blood, travel through roads, blood vessels, to deliver essential items like groceries, oxygen and nutrients, and collect trash, waste, the heart acts as the central hub or dispatch center, coordinating the flow to ensure every household, cells, gets what it needs and has its waste removed. The brain, spinal cord, and nerves which relay information. Nervous system. The nervous system is like the body's electrical network that sends messages between the brain and the rest of the body to control and coordinate actions. Imagine you're in a busy office trying to manage the flow of emails, phone calls, and memos to ensure everyone gets the right information at the right time. This scenario is similar to how the nervous system works, with the brain acting like the office manager, the spinal cord like the main communication line, and the nerves as individual messengers delivering and receiving information. Just as the office manager delegates tasks and handles information flow to maintain smooth operations, the brain processes information and sends signals through the spinal cord and nerves to coordinate the body's responses, ensuring everything functions seamlessly. The system of organs that breaks down food into nutrients for use by the body. Digestive system. The digestive system is a group of organs that work together to turn the food we eat into energy and nutrients our bodies need. Imagine trying to assemble a complex piece of furniture from a flat-pack box. Just as you need to unpack the box, identify the pieces, and follow instructions to build your new chair, your digestive system works similarly to break down food. The digestive system unpacks the food you eat, breaking it down into smaller, usable parts, nutrients, just like you break down the furniture parts to fit them together. The stomach and intestines act like the instruction manual and tools, guiding the process and ensuring all the pieces, nutrients, are in the right place for your body to build and maintain its health. The muscular tube connecting the mouth to the stomach. Esophagus. The esophagus is a tube that carries food and liquid from your throat to your stomach. Imagine trying to send a marble down a narrow, flexible tube without letting it bounce out. In the same way, the esophagus functions as a muscular tube that efficiently guides food from the mouth to the stomach, preventing it from going astray. Just as the tube directs the marble to its destination using its contours, the esophagus uses rhythmic muscle contractions to ensure the food smoothly reaches the stomach, much like guiding an object through a pathway. The long organ where most food digestion occurs, it connects to the stomach, small intestine. The small intestine is a tube-like organ where most nutrients from food are absorbed into the body. Imagine trying to organize a cluttered closet full of various items, where finding and sorting each piece is necessary for easy access later. This is similar to how the small intestine works in our digestive system, as it is the long, winding organ where most of the food digestion and nutrient absorption occurs. Just as the closet is the space where you systematically sort and store items for future use, the small intestine is where food is broken down and nutrients are absorbed, connecting directly to the stomach, which acts like the entrance to your storage space, receiving and preparing everything for the detailed sorting process. The organ that removes water from undigested food. Large intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and forms waste for elimination from the body. Imagine trying to pack away groceries into an already full refrigerator. Just like trying to fit everything neatly by removing unnecessary packaging to save space, the large intestine removes excess water from undigested food to make the waste more compact. In both cases, the goal is to efficiently manage space. By taking out water, the large intestine reduces the bulk of waste, similar to how removing packaging reduces clutter, making everything fit better. A tiny blood vessel that allows the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste products. Capillary. Capillaries are the smallest blood vessels in the body where oxygen and nutrients are exchanged for waste with cells. Imagine you're at a crowded party, trying to navigate through the tightly packed room to get a drink and chat with friends. Just like you maneuvering through the crowd to exchange greetings and grab refreshments, capillaries navigate through the body, facilitating the exchange of gases, nutrients, and waste products between blood and tissues. In this analogy, the capillaries are like the clear pathways at the party that allow you to move freely and interact, ensuring that vital exchanges occur seamlessly to keep everything functioning smoothly. The movement of molecules from an area of higher density to an area of lower density. Diffusion. It is a process where particles spread out evenly in a space from where there are more of them to where there are fewer. Imagine you're at a crowded party where everyone is packed into one room and it's getting increasingly uncomfortable. Just as people naturally start moving to less crowded rooms to find more space and comfort, molecules in a high-density area move to areas of lower density to spread out evenly. In both scenarios, whether it's partygoers looking for breathing room or molecules dispersing, the underlying principle is the transition from crowded, high-density spaces to more open, low-density spaces to achieve balance and comfort. A blood vessel that carries blood away from the heart, artery. An artery is a tube-like structure that carries oxygen-rich blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Imagine trying to distribute all the party invitations from your house to your friends' houses around town. Just like how you act as the messenger carrying invitations from your home to various destinations, an artery functions by transporting blood away from the heart to different parts of the body. In this analogy, your house is the heart, the invitations are the blood. And your friends' houses are the organs and tissues that need the oxygen and nutrients carried by the blood. A blood vessel that carries blood to the heart, vein. A vein is a type of blood vessel that returns blood to the heart after it circulates through the body. Imagine trying to return a library book before its due date, ensuring it gets back to its rightful place on the shelf. This act of returning the book is similar to how veins work in the human body. Just as you transport the book back to the library to avoid fines and restore order, veins carry blood back to the heart to ensure the body functions smoothly. In this analogy, the library is the heart, the book is the blood, and the journey taken to return it represents the pathway of the veins. The organ that filters water and waste from blood, kidney. The kidney is a bean-shaped organ that cleanses your blood by removing waste and extra fluids, creating urine. Imagine you're cleaning out your refrigerator, trying to separate the expired food from the fresh produce. Just like you sift through the items to discard what's unusable and keep what's good, your kidneys filter your blood to remove waste while retaining essential nutrients. In this analogy, the expired food represents waste products in your blood, and the fresh produce symbolizes the nutrients and water your body needs to keep. Illustrating how the kidneys maintain your body's internal environment by filtering out the unwanted substances. The muscular sac-like organ that stores urine, urinary bladder. The urinary bladder is a stretchy organ in the body that holds urine until you're ready to go to the bathroom. Imagine you're at a party and you're the designated holder of everyone's jackets, trying to keep them all neatly stacked and organized as more people arrive. Your role is similar to the urinary bladder, which serves as a storage unit for urine until it's convenient to release it. Just like you have to manage the space and balance of the jackets without letting them fall, the bladder uses its muscular walls to stretch and hold increasing amounts of urine, ensuring it stays contained until it's time to release the pressure by going to the bathroom.